All right. So just to let the new students know, usually for the MCQ questions, I will direct the questions. Y'all will see what I mean later to the students who made mistakes. So I've already looked through all your answers. I know who made mistakes at which questions. So I will tend to direct the questions to the students who make mistakes. I'm not purposely trying to make you look bad. And for the students who I don't call out, I'm not ignoring you. Okay, it's just that I'm trying to understand why the students who make mistakes so that they can learn from it. Everybody okay? Okay, great. So I'm not going to waste too much time. I'm going to jump straight into the MCQ section. Okay, first question, everybody got correct. So I'm not going to spend too much time on this. So this question, we have grasshoppers and we have water. We have a plastic sheet with holes. And we also, okay, so the only thing that is missing, what is missing, Anita? For living things to survive, there is air, there is water. What is missing?
Food.
Good. So if there's no food, okay, my grasshoppers cannot live for very long. So what should she do for them to stay alive longer? She should put some food in the glass jar. Okay, so this is very straightforward. Nobody got this wrong. So I'm going to skip to question 2. Question 2, Li Ling and Chloe, y'all made a mistake. So please listen up. The rest of you still keep your ears open, okay? Don't fall asleep. Okay, for Li Ling and Chloe, question is asking which of the statements are correct. Chloe, is it true all birds can fly? Yes or no, Chloe? Good. Can you give me some examples of birds that cannot fly? Can't hear you. You might want to I don't know why I can't hear you. Try again. Want to try again? Can try speaking to the mic. Can't hear. Okay, never mind. Let's go to Li Ling first, okay? So Chloe, you just hold on, let mommy figure out what's going on. Li Ling, can you give me some examples of birds that cannot fly?
Penguin.
Good. So most of you should know the penguin cannot fly. We also have the ostrich and the emu. Okay? Janelle, can I ask you, do chickens fly?
My brain, yes.
So although you don't see them flying in the sky, right? They still can be in the air for a short period of time.
Yeah.
So that is considered flying. Tyler, can peacocks fly?
Like call shot while.
Yes. So if you want examples of birds that cannot fly, just remember these 3. Okay? Okay, next part. All birds have a beak. Li Ling, true or false?
True.
Good. So a distinct characteristic or a unique characteristic, okay, is that all birds have beaks. Please remember this. If you see an animal with a beak, it is definitely going to be a bird. Okay, let's move on. All birds have feathers. Chloe, true or not? You can just shake your head or not your head. Is this true? All birds have feathers. Yes? Bigger? Cannot see? Be more confident? Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. I can hear you now. Very good. So another unique characteristic, okay, of birds is that they have feathers. So once I see an animal with feathers, I know straight away it is a bird. Okay, last one. Li Ling, all birds have fur to keep them warm. Is this correct?
No.
So not all birds need to be kept warm, yeah? And feathers, the purpose is not only to keep birds warm. So this statement is not correct. So the only 2 statements that are true are B and C. So what should the correct answer be?
B.
Chloe agree it should be B? Yes? Can Chloe? So answer should be B. Yes, Kaden, you have a question for me?
the all birds have fur to keep them warm. It is supposed
So
to
it's
be
not even true.
feathers.
Yeah, so it shouldn't even be fur. Okay, birds do not have fur in the first place. But the also one thing is that not all birds need to be kept warm using feathers as well. Okay? Wait, I have somebody who says Luca's iPad. May I know who is that?
Luca.
Who's Luca? Ah, are you a new student?
Yes. Yeah.
You have never attended my class before, right?
Never.
Can you turn your video on? Guys, give me a minute. Okay. Luca, may I know why you didn't attempt the questions online? Do you know that there are actually questions online to be done? Is this your first time at 88 Tuition? Do you do other subjects with them? Then that you should know that there's homework to be done before attending lesson, right? It's the same for all the subjects.
Sorry, I'm sorry. I do
So
not know. I'm so sorry.
no worries, no worries. So it's just you didn't know lah.
I didn't know there's a homework to be done.
Okay, can no worries. Maybe after lesson, we stay back for a while, then I can discuss with you, clarify any concerns that we have. So in
Okay.
the meanwhile, Luca, these are the questions that you're seeing for the first time, unfortunately. Okay, so you maybe have to read a bit faster to catch up with what we're doing. Okay, Ken? Okay, Ken, next question. Luca, I need you to keep your iPad on at all time, the video, yeah? Okay, question 3. A handful of you got this wrong. Luca, I want you to type the answer in the chat group. Okay? So for Viola, Tegan, and Caden, y'all got this question wrong. Caden, I'm very surprised you got this question wrong, yeah? So we are going to look at insects. Okay, so let's do a bit of revision. Okay? What is unique about insects? Caden, can you start? How do I know that an animal is an insect?
It has 3 body parts and has 6 legs.
Wait. Just say one first.
3 body parts.
Okay, great. Those who have the worksheet or those who want to copy this down, Viola, Tegan, I strongly encourage you to copy this down. Very good, Luca, you got this correct. Great job. Okay, let's start with the 3 body parts. Tegan, can you name them for me? The top one, what is it called?
Huh?
What is the top? The first body part called?
The head.
Good. The middle one, Li Wan, do you know what it's called?
The body.
No, not the body. Raphael, can you help her? Raphael, my face is in front, not behind. What is the middle body part called?
Thorax.
Very good, Raphael. Fantastic job. Okay, what is the last part called? Viola, do you know?
Abdomen.
Very good, Viola. So for those who don't know, I strongly recommend you to copy this down. Okay, what is the next unique characteristic about insects, Viola? Just now, Caden mentioned briefly, not sure whether you heard.
Insects have 6.
6 what?
6 legs and 3 body parts.
Okay, so they have 6 legs. Now, I want to ask people, Janelle, the 6 legs, where are they found?
The thorax and the abdomen.
Is it, Tyler?
Around.
Around? So I will see 6 legs spread out over the thorax and abdomen. Is that correct?
Like at the side, basically.
So you are saying like that, something like that.
Yeah.
Is this correct or not, Kyler?
I don't know. No.
So where are the 6 legs specifically coming out from?
Two from the head, two from the thorax, two from the
Your
abdomen.
head lah. How come the head will have legs? It's not an alien, you know, my dear boy.
In between the thorax and the abdomen.
No. Who knows where the 6 legs come out from? Yes, Anita.
The thorax?
Only the thorax. Very good. Okay, so please remember this. If by now you don't know what is the position of the 6 legs, it is only found coming out from the thorax. Now, I have one more unique characteristic about insects. Something that's found on their heads. Who knows what is that? Sky, try.
Antennas.
Antennas or feelers. Okay, so I'm just going to call them feelers. So they have a pair of feelers. Okay, so this is unique to insects. The most important ones I want you to remember is the one with stars. If you can't remember feelers, it's fine. All right, so let's go through the options together. Statement A, Tegan, correct or false? By measuring the length of the animals, can I determine? False. Good. Kaden, let's look at B, true or false?
True.
Okay. Viola, let's look at C. Find out whether the animals have wings. Yes or no? No, good. Not all insects have wings, yeah? Okay, last statement. Find out whether each animal has 3 body parts. Lucas, correct or wrong? Statement D.
Wrong.
Why wrong?
Yeah, correct.
Correct, right? Because if it has 3 body parts, it is definitely an insect. So what is the correct answer, Kaden?
B and D.
Overall, what is the correct answer?
B.
Yes. So I believe some of you make careless mistakes here, yeah? Be very careful in the exam, okay? Okay, moving on to the next question, 4. Again, I don't know why so many people make mistakes here. Same thing, Lucas, answer in chat group, please. Okay, so Li Wen, Tegan, Chloe, and Lillian, you all made mistakes here. So let's look at animal G, yeah? It's not animal G, sorry, question G. So this is a flow chart. Okay, Li Wen, G and H are going to be questions. You have seen a flow chart before, Li Wen? So depending on how you answer the question, the flow chart will lead you to the final answer. So if we look at cow, and we look at eagle and goldfish, let's see what is a possible question for G. Okay, can it swim? Is this statement possible for G? Li Wen, yes or no? Is it a possible question? Look very carefully before you nod your head. Because very good, answer is correct. Is it a possible question, Li Wen? Okay, you say yes. Let's look at it. Li Wen, I want you to focus. Can it swim? No, it's a cow. Good. Can it swim? Yes, I have an eagle. So is this a possible statement, Li Wen? I ask again. Li Wen, I need you to focus when you're answering the questions, yeah? Okay? Li Wen, look at, does it lay eggs? Can you tell me whether it's possible or not possible? Speak into the mic, please.
Possible?
Okay, so let's look together. Can it lay eggs? Chloe, if we were to move down, can it lay eggs? Does the cow lay eggs, Chloe, yes or no?
No.
Janelle, keep your video on. Do the eagle and goldfish lay eggs? Sarah, not Sarah, Chloe, do the eagle and goldfish lay eggs?
Yes.
Good. So this is a possible statement. Very good, Li Wen. Okay, I want to go through all the options at the column at G, yeah? Okay, now